were born before the wind. Also younger than the sun. And the bonnie boat was one as we sail into the mystic. Oh, I can now hear the sailors cry, smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. Where that foghorn blows, I will be coming home. Yeah, when the foghorn blows, I wanna hear it. I don't have to fear it, and I wanna rock your gypsy soul, just like way back in the days of old. Yeah, magnificently we will fold into the mystic.
We are gathered today here in the presence of family and friends for the purpose of uniting in marriage Catherine Mary Malone and Casey Joseph Peterson, and to share in the joy of this memorable occasion. By your presence, you celebrate with them the love they have discovered in each other, and you support their decision to commit themselves to a lifelong relationship. The love they have discovered in each other, and you support their decision to commit themselves. At this time, we would like to ask you to please turn off all electronic devices and to be truly present in this moment. Kat and Casey, today you are surrounded by your friends and family, all of whom have gathered here to witness your marriage and to share in the joy of this special occasion. Today, as you join yourselves in marriage, there is a vast and unknown future stretching out before you. The possibilities and potentials of your married life are great, and now falls on your shoulders the task of choosing your values and making real your dreams. Through your commitment to each other, may you grow and nurture a love that makes you both better, a love that continues to give you great joy, and also a passion for living that provides you with energy and patience to face the responsibilities of life. Let us all now take a moment to honor those loved ones who are not with us today: John Malone, Alyssa Malone, James and Alice Peterson, John and Florence Mihalik, and all those that are here today in spirit. And now a reading from the prophet by Kahil Gibran. You are born together, and together you shall be forevermore. You shall be together when the white wings of death scatter your days. But let there be spaces in your togetherness, and let the winds of heaven dance between you. Love one another, but make not a bond of your love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of your soul. Fill each other's cup, but drink not from one cup. Give one another of your bread, but not from the same loaf. Sing and dance together and be joyous, and let each one of you be alone. Even as the strings of a lute are alone, though they quiver with the same music. Give your hearts, but not into each other's keeping. For only the hands of life contain your hearts, and stand together, yet not too near apart, together. For the pillars of the temple stand apart, and the oak tree and the cypress grow not in each other's shadow. Marriage symbolizes the intimate sharing of two lives, It is the development of a balanced relationship that is continually growing and changing. Acceptance of each other's differences and appreciation of each other's individuality creates an atmosphere of understanding and trust where not only the joys and successes, but also sorrows and disappointments can be shared. Deep knowledge of each other's feelings can only develop fully with patience, genuine caring, and respect. This understanding of each other can be the greatest and most fulfilling experience of your lives. No other human ties are more tender, and no other vows more important than those that you now assume. If you both keep these vows, your home will be happy and full of joy. The contract of marriage is most solemn and not to be taken lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, with a deep realization of its obligations and responsibilities. Please repeat after me. I, Kat, choose you, Casey, to be my husband.
I, Kat, choose you, Casey, to be my husband.
To respect you in your successes and in your failures.
To respect you in your successes and in your failures.
To care for you in sickness and in health.
To care for you in sickness and in health.
To nurture you and to grow with you throughout the seasons of life.
To nurture you and grow with you throughout the seasons of life.
Now, Casey, repeat after me. I, Casey, choose you, Kat, to be my wife.
I, Casey, choose you, Kat, to be my wife.
To respect you in your successes and in your failures.
To respect you in your successes and your failures.
To care for you in sickness and in health.
To care for you in sickness and in health.
To nurture you and to grow with you throughout the seasons of life.
To grow with you and nurture you throughout the seasons of life. Come here, guys. Come here, guys. Ready? Sit. Sit. You guys want to sit?
I'm sorry, guys.
Come here,
on
guys.
there.
Come on, guys. Yes.
Sorry, Casey.
Come here, guys.
For thousands of years, lovers have exchanged rings as a token of their vows. Let these rings be a sign that love has a past, a present, and a future. Through you and within you. Casey, take Kat's ring and place it on her finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
Give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To the end of my days.
And my days.
Wear it, think of me, and know that I love you.
Wear it, think of me, and know that I love you.
Kat, take Casey's ring and place it on his finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To the end of my days.
To the end of my days.
Wear it, think of me, and know that I love you.
Wear it, think of me, and know that I love you.
Kat and Casey, we have heard your promise to share your lives in marriage. We recognize and respect the vows you have made here this day before each one of us as a witness. In the honesty and sincerity of what you have said here today, and in accordance with the laws of the state of California, it is my honor and delight to declare you henceforth husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss. Family and friends, I present to you Kat and Casey Peterson.
in the warm cold of your love night. To feel you all around me and to take your hand along the sand. But I may as well try and catch the wind. When sundown pales the sky, I want to hide a while behind your smile. And everywhere I look, your eyes would find. For me to love you now would be the sweetest thing. Would make me sing. But I may as well try and catch the wind. When rain has hung the leaves with tears, I want you near to kill my fears, to help me to leave all my blues behind. Standing in your heart is where I